Friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we're going to discuss about Arkk Innovation ETF. Now we haven't seen an ETF gone down by more than 60%, because this is quite a bad performance. We are not at all in a recession, but we have still seen this thing because the underlying stocks are very volatile, and more than that, most of the stocks are from Nasdaq, so obviously the risk is anyways high. So this is a high beta ETF and it can move on both the side with along with quite a volatility, and that's what we have seen now. Because there is a recovery in Nasdaq and overall underlying stocks, which we can and have a positive impact on Arkk Innovation ETF, and it is clearly visible. So what we can see that if the recovery continues, we will have a sharp price action, and that is what we are going to probably discuss in this particular video, or about the trend of Arkk Innovation ETF. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, just hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now what do we have here? As I told you, ETF is highly volatile, and this happened because of the underlying stocks. Now if I show you the trend, simply show you the trend, it is something like this, right? And you have something like this, right? So this is what we have here as far as the downside or support levels are concerned. So we only have two support levels to look at right now, and you have 52.84, which is your immediate support, and you have your stop loss at $46. So these are the two levels that we're gonna look at as far as the trend is concerned, of 52.4. Again, now in case of any further uncertainties, you need to see, or you need to presume that this ETF may again retest $46 on the downside. Now if the stock holds, or if this ETF holds above 52 and 46, or both these levels, then obviously we will go for a recovery. And anyways, the levels which we are looking here are on the weekly chart, so it is definitely for the long term. So if I simply make a trend out of it, you will see something like this, right? You will definitely see something like this, and I am not making it out or making it off because I'm just going with the flow. Whatever I have in front of me as far as the chart is concerned, that's what you can see. And if this works out in the long term, then the big trend that we're gonna look at, or the big target range that we're gonna look at, is in between 258 and 475. Okay, this is a big possibility which we have here as far as the Arkk Innovation ETF is concerned. But let me tell you, this is a high beta ETF. Okay, generally we do not see ETF moves like this. So if you are making a good amount of profit, obviously you need to understand, or you should take it back, or partial profit booking is mandatory in this kind of ETF. So let us see how this ETF moves in the short term, but in the long term you will again see a sharp swing if the Nasdaq or the underlying stocks perform well. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.